Hi, Tim. Yeah, so I am a bit stuck on a part here. So the thing is, to pass in this, for example, we have like all the months here from the one company. In this case, this is filter, so this is like all the companies, all the entries. So I have the months of we have all the surveys that they did, and for example, we are here. I'm having a problem, for example, in total employees. So on the month 6, by some reason, they didn't fill this part, like it's blank. I don't know how is this possible, but this part is blank. The other is not. Um, Probably this was a filter that I did. Like I deleted because the answers probably were ridiculous. So it was on the filter. So nonetheless, it is like there is no values here. So the idea to have is to have the beginning, which is this four. So pre-program, and then the end it would be the month 6, but it doesn't exist. So I want to take the month 5. I did the test, yeah. So I did a formula that I know it works because I did like a mock-up thing here. So pretending that this is, for example, company A, month 1, company A, month 2. So following the same example, I would want to have the first, and if that's not available, I would like the second one. So I did the formula here, and the formula works in the way that it is. So for example, I will pass to the D, which is a similar situation. The D, what happens in the D, it is, the formula is the same, of course. So it is this formula, it is divides into value and value if they cannot find. So this part it is if there is no value. For example, the only example here it's on E. So on E, what happens? It tries to find the value of E in the first month. So E it is a G9, and I aggregate the first month, which is this G2, and it cannot find it. So in this formula, the part of the value is going to be NA, not available. So this whole part will be unavailable. This part doesn't matter. So what it will happen is the value if it's not available, and it is the fifth month. The second, so yeah, it is here G aggregating G3, which is the second month to the name. So it's going to look the E2. He looks for E2 and he finds the 334, and that's what happens. So that's good, sweet. On the D, the case is it can find there is the D, a D1, but it doesn't have any number. So it is the same thing as in here. There is a space 366 at the month that we want, the first option that we want, but it have no number here. And what happens in the my mock, it is the D, so value not available, value available here, and so the value available formula it is this one, and this one is very simple. It is if the value of the first month, this guy's the first option month, which is this one, it is equal to blank, please take the second month. So value if it's true, yeah, take the second month, second option, which is the fifth month in our real case. If not, if it's not blank, please take the first month, G G1, G2, which is the one, and it works. So it tries to find the D1 first. D1 exists, so it reads, but it's blank. So it takes the second one, like it's here. So if I change here, it will change there. That's the way I want to go. I did translate this formula to here, and I did it a couple of times. So this is the employee author. The same thing with the 5 and the 6 to go to this table to get the 5 and the 6, like the 5 and the 6. So it should give me the 10 because it goes to the 6, it doesn't find anything, so it's blank. And if it's blank, it goes to the 5 and takes the 5. But somehow this is not working because I'm going to space 360 here, space 360, and it doesn't happen. So it doesn't happen for a lot of businesses. I checked, and it is all the same case, and it gives me a 0. I don't understand because 0 should be the number that never gives, because if there is a if this 360 month 6 exists, it is this value. If it doesn't exist, it is the fifth value. So the fifth month value. So I don't get why is this happening, and I'm a bit stuck on this. I repeated, and I did the formula twice from scratch, and I cannot have the correct number. But it's only for this case, for the exists, like this month exists, the 6 month they fill up, but there's no value for employees. Um, yeah, so I don't know. I'm a bit stuck in here. I Yeah, if you can help, that would be good. If not, um, yeah, I will have to keep trying, and desperate in desperate case, I will have to find another way. But another way is going to it's just a massacre, and like it's going to take more time. But yeah, so this is the case.